Hi, this is Dr. Benham. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and today I'm going to demonstrate another before and after photos of our stem cell hair restoration. And this is actually exciting me because this is another female patient. So I was one of the first pioneers of stem cell hair restoration in the US back in 2016, and I do a lot of stem cells for hair loss. So this is a patient who had come in, she's middle-aged basically, and she was losing a lot of hair in the mid-frontal scalp right here in the front, and you can see basically I circled it in the blue area. It's quite a big area actually, and we usually like to focus the stem cell in the area of the palm of your hands, and this is definitely bigger than the palm of your hands, but we still did it anyways. And this was done in January of 2023, and here is 4 months later in May of 2023. As you can tell, basically a lot of the area grew out. So here we go. So I'm going to show you. So this is before and this is after. I mean, it's still not perfect. She still has a little bit thinning right here in the center. But overall, you could tell that this was a long area, and a lot of that area basically really thickened up. Again, this patient is not on any oral medications or topical medications. This is just purely one session of stem cell mixed with PRP, and this is about 4 months later. Patient is very excited about the result actually, and she's probably going to do another one to see if we can thicken up a little more in the center. Thank you so much.